Welcome to English 102 Online. This is the best course we can offer at Modesto Junior College. In the English department for sure, but it's a great course. I started teaching this when I started the MJC in 1999. I've taught it 37 times, and I know that because Shakespeare wrote 37 plays, and this is the last one I'm teaching, and no more Shakespeare after this, whether or not you like it. The class in general is going to introduce you to four major literary genres. They are short stories, a novel or long fiction, and then also poetry and drama. We're going to start with some short stories, move on to some longer pieces before we get into the drama and the really long fiction at the end of the semester. You're going to write several essays. Basically, there's one based on each genre, and then do a lot of discussion so that you learn from one another, and of course learn from me as we interact and ask questions. Have fun with this. Having an introduction to literature like this is kind of just exploring a new world. It's why I love teaching, and you know, your opinions, your interpretations really matter. Others really need to hear them. In the best setting, which is actually in a classroom, we're not doing that here, but if you have 30 students together and each shares a different perspective, at the end you have 30 perspectives on a story or a novel, and guess what? They make sense together, you know. 30 things can be true sometimes. So I just want you to be open-minded when you think, when you write, when you discuss with your fellow students, right? We do have a word count. The essays that we do take care of those. There's a small midterm. I don't want to worry you about the logistics of the class. I really just want you to engage your reading and to have fun. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to email me. I'm always on email, and I'll help you with this. Remember, I love this stuff, and I want to make you love it too. Call me Theron. You don't have to give me any titles, and I just look forward to working with you. So we'll talk soon. Peace out.